Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Netstat command to spy on all connections on your device. Now, to use a Netstat tool, you can simply type Netstat. Now, it's going to give you all the active connections on your device, which protocol that is in use, the IP address of the device that is connecting, the foreign address, that is the device that is coming in, then if the connection has been established or not. Now you can see my device is interacting with an outside device, and you can see my device also interacting with a WhatsApp server. That is why you can see WhatsApp and it's waiting. Basically, this is what you can use the Netstat tool for. But if you want a more output, you can say Netstat-n, which is going to give us a numerical output. As you can see right here, everything is it's not going to be running continuously. Now, there's also another way we can use the Netstat tool. We can use the Netstat tool by checking which application or executable file is connecting to the internet. So basically, I have Spotify right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to type netstat-b. This command is not going to run because we need to run this as administrator. So we go on to CMD, we open it as administrator and click enter on it. Now basically we are in the prompt right here. What we're going to type here is netstat-b. When we type netstat-b, we should see which connections are being made. Now you can see my device, it has Spotify on it, and I'm using the Spotify right now. And the Spotify is connecting to the internet. So it's showing me that Spotify is connecting to the internet, and the machine that is actually using Spotify to connect to the internet, and whether the connection has been established or not. Now, in the cybersecurity space, if a device is being suspected to be attacked, you can simply run this command as a first line of defense, watching to see which applications are connecting to the internet. This could be OPSEC. Now, this is what we can do with Netstat. And let's try and elevate our knowledge on Netstat. As you can see, OneDrive is also connecting and WhatsApp is also connecting to the internet. But let's try and elevate our knowledge on Netstat. What we're going to do is we're going to type this Netstat-a to display all the outputs, then N to display it in a numerical format, O. Now the O is also part to elevate. Then what we're going to type is -b. Then we're going to pipe it and say find str. What we are doing is that we are piping the output to this command. So whatever we are getting from this command is going to use it as an input. And we're going to say find str, which means find string. Find a specific word inside the output given by this command. Now what we're going to type here is we're going to look for something known as what? Established in caps, and click enter on this. So it's going to display all the established connections. Now let's try time wait or time wait. And you can see we only have one time wait. Thanks for watching the video. This is the basic we can do on Netstat. Please like, share, and subscribe.